Well, is there going to be a hike in milk prices in Karnataka? It seems likely with the development that is now coming as far as the government there in Karnataka, according to top sources suggesting, may lead to a price in hike as far as milk prices are now concerned. Let's put that out for our viewers exactly when it comes to the prices that may be hiked in for milk. Farmers have now demanded a hike of 10 rupees while the government is likely to consider a 5 rupee hike. Let's get in a word from Neha, who's connected with us right now. So farmers there that have been demanding the hike in milk prices and the government may allow 5 rupees. Is this a final decision that have been made yet?
Well, no, in fact, what we do know so far is that the farmers, of course, have demanded now, in fact, a steep hike here of almost 10 rupees per litre for milk. But as far as the government is concerned, they've, of course, said that, a final round of talks with the chief minister is still due. And following that is when a decision would be taken. Remember, of course, even when we've spoken to, the Minister, of course, of Animal Husbandry as well, he's also gone on to suggest that it's not just the price hike that's being considered, but another thing that he has confirmed is the fact that the quantity or the sizes of the packets also would now be reduced by 50 ml. Remember, it was increased earlier last year when we saw the prices being increased in proportion. So this is understandably so, of course, possibly going to come as a double whammy to the people if the government so decides to hike the prices. But what we're being told is that this is a decision that would be taken after the state budget is presented by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
So prior to this, milk prices per litre was hiked to 3 rupees per litre back in 2022. In 2024, the KMF then hiked the milk prices by 2 rupees per packet and even increased the quantity per packet by 50 ml, which is all set to be reduced if the government makes a decision on the basis of the demands that have been set forth by the farmers there. For the moment, Neha, thank you very much for joining in. We head into a short break, back on the other side with the latest headlines.